Good Tuesday morning, South Carolina Weather Watchers. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson, and let's go ahead and start off with the weather for your Tuesday evening. Now, looking at the radar right now, as you can see, most of South Carolina, if not all of South Carolina, is clear right now. We're not seeing any type of precipitation fall throughout the state right now. We're going ahead and zoom out, and let's go ahead and look at the entire United States. If we switch over to the MRMS and we go over to the winter weather radar, as you can see, that's up there. But again, I mean, if you check it out, I mean, even you could check reflectivity and see that's not there. So I don't know what this is. I guess it just maybe just be a bit behind. Um, yeah, it is behind because it says at 6:15. So I don't know what's going on with the winter weather radar. Reflectivity is working though, so I guess we're gonna have to just use reflectivity. So as you can see, we do have some precipitation up here inside of the North Dakota as well as South Dakota regions, and up here inside Minnesota as well. And same thing down here inside eastern Nebraska and eastern Kansas. We have a tornado watch issued where we have severe thunderstorm warnings all over the board. We did have a confirmed tornado near Topeka, Kansas today. Oh, this early this morning, I should say, but still was today. We do have some precipitation over here just near Cheyenne, Denver, Pueblo, Colorado. And even down here, we may have a couple of sprinkles down there near Dallas and Louisiana as well. Over here inside Tennessee and Kentucky, we may have also some more showers as well. Going on ahead and continuing though. Here's our current cloud cover. As you can see, most of us is covered by clouds. These clouds kind of come from that storm system that's causing all of the like tornado watches and the severe thunderstorm warnings and stuff like that. That's where most of these clouds are coming from. So that's why we're cloudy right now. Here's our cloud tracker right now. We talked about how those clouds would start to get going, especially going into tonight, into like this morning, last night into the morning period. We talked about that, and we talked about how that cloud cover is probably going to continue, and it's probably going to take over most of the state by the time we get into like the late af- late afternoon, evening hours. We continue it forward. Then once we get to like the night hours, it starts to kind of break up a little bit, but then it starts to regroup back together. So definitely going to be a pretty cloudy day today, for sure. Here's our current temperatures: 59 in Greenville, 64 in Columbia, 62 in Charleston, 64 in Myrtle Beach, 66 in Florence and Sumter, 61 in Augusta, and 61 up there inside Anderson, 62 in Rock Hill, 61 in Savannah. Here's our high temperatures going to today. High temperatures can range around 87 in Greenville, 88 in Spartanburg, 89 in Rock Hill, 83 in Charleston, 79 in Myrtle Beach, 83 in Hilton Head, 86 in Aiken, and then 88 in Cheraw. Our peak sustained wind gusts, I keep on saying peak sustained wind gusts, peak sustained winds for today will reach a good, mainly a good 7, 8, maybe even 10 mile per hour winds sustained. And then near the coast, you can get sustained winds of up to 14, maybe even 15 mile per hour winds at the coast. So it's going to be not too breezy of a day. Maybe if you're on the coast, you may get a little bit of more of a breeze. But if we go to our gusts as well, those gusts could get up to around 20 to 25 miles an hour near the Charleston Hilton Head region. We can get around 16 in Myrtle Beach, 12 in Columbia, 12 in Moncks Corner, 10 in Rock Hill, 12 up there inside the upstate, 12 in Sumter, 9 in Florence. So again, there's going to be some areas just to where the wind is very calm, and there's going to be some regions to where the wind is kind of picking up a bit breezy at some points, but not as breezy as we would normally see it. We do have a chance for an isolated shower up there just to the east of Cheraw as well. According to the National Weather Service of Columbia, they do say that they do think that some precipitation is possible over there, which is why we have a TSTM in place. Because they think that there's a potential for a thunderstorm to get going all the way up there for the northern tip of South Carolina. So that's why we have that little tenth of an inch of precipitation thing at the top near Cheraw. And obviously, no excessive rainfall is possible for today. And that's all that I have It's going to be, again, a really nice day. Just going to be cloudy. Just add some clouds on top of that as well. So, other than that, it's going to be cloudy. And it's going to be getting kind of warm, but also pretty much hot at the same time, as you can see with the high temperatures again. So definitely hot and cloudy is definitely the motto for today. But that's going to about wrap this up. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, and share. And I will be back tomorrow, not tomorrow, this evening for another forecast update.